Hey love, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Sekira and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'd love for you to be a part of this fam, so please hit the subscribe button and join the fam. Okay, so today I'm here to share with you another modest hijab style. So this is for my people who like a lot of chest coverage. I hope you do enjoy this video, and because this is for you, hit the like button, this one. Hit it, don't wait, hit this one, okay, because it's not easy, my boo, it's not easy. Anyway, I'm just playing, but do hit the like button, that way you know I have the that you love what I'm putting out there. And if you have any video ideas that you'd like for me to try out, please comment them down below. I'll be sure to try them out. These hijab styles are so simple, it takes less than a minute to tie these beautiful hijab styles. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you all next week. Stay blessed and assalamu alaikum.
Hoochie.